What is up, guys? You know what's up, right? Nothing is up actually. Everything is down. So, what is down? Okay, today I have some news for you guys. Exciting news, funny news. We like to have fun on this channel. But as always, of course, the intro. I'm the doctor, and you are on. First thing is first. Before we get into some TA, let's get onto the news. So, Bitwise leads the way as first US Bitcoin ETF to publicly disclose wallet address. You know what this means? This means I like Bitwise because, as you know, or maybe you don't know, these ETFs, BlackRock's, all of these ETFs can actually sell Bitcoins that they don't even have. Some of them can claim they have like 1 million Bitcoin, but they really don't. How can? The maths don't add up, right? Because imagine like the Bitcoins that is with the people, the normal people, the crypto people that never want to sell. So 70% of people who have Bitcoin, who have crypto, never want to sell Bitcoin. And they can just sell to the people Bitcoin. They can claim they have Bitcoin, but they really don't. It's a fugazi. It's just some cloud, I don't know. So yeah, but Bitwise is a publicly disclosed wallet address, which makes sense, yeah. Because if you have nothing to hide, why don't you just show it? Why don't they show it? Because they have something to hide, probably, right? If you never have something to hide, just show it. Why are you afraid? So yeah, Bitwise, big up. So, and affirms that on-chain transparency is core to Bitcoin's ethos. Yeah, if you have nothing to hide, just show it, You have to be transparent in crypto. Why don't you be transparent? Why don't you show us what you claim to have? So, look at this. Disclosing the on-chain BTC holdings of several major players, including BlackRock, Bitwise Fidelity, and Franklin. Who is this? I don't know about this, but yeah. So big up Bitwise. Bitwise is really doing something good. So yeah. The IRS. Look at this, guys. I have some fun news for you today. Yeah, so the IRS revises digital assets question on tax forms. So you live in the US, on your tax forms, they're gonna ask you if you have some crypto, some digital assets, some NFT, anything you have digitally. Do you have some? Oh, I wanna tax you on it. Let me know if you have some. I mean, I don't know why people just tell even like let them know. Do you have some? If I get asked that question, if I have some crypto, I would probably say no. But yeah, IRS has revised the question about digital assets, including on income tax. Wow. So people can't even afford living now. They can't even afford living more. They can't even buy a home. Now they can't. They probably can't even buy food. It's like freedom. They say freedom, but are you really free? Really free? Are you? Yeah. So have fun. Moreover, the tax authority has added the question to 4 additional tax forms. The question must be answered by all taxpayers, not just by those who engaged in a transaction involving digital assets in 2023. Very fun, right? All taxpayers. So yeah, you're in America, pay some crypto tax. That's yeah. Who likes paying taxes? I don't think nobody likes paying taxes, right? I mean, what I understood is like some people really like paying taxes. And I was listening to a radio for fun, right? And on the radio channel, like on I don't know, I think it's UK's radio or something. And they said like the government of UK, if you probably know, they're lowering income taxes and yeah, taxes for business taxes, corporate taxes, income taxes, and the people don't want that. I don't know why. I don't know how. Some people don't want that. Many people don't want that. I don't know how. Like, the government is literally lowering your taxes and you don't want that? And they claim they don't want it because it's like brings a problem to the public. I don't know, public transportation or something like that. I don't know, man. I mean, this is like people are brainwashed, so you can't really judge them, right? If everyone is brainwashed, if everyone is just thinks the same, that means something really there is a problem there, right? I mean, how? Before I thought like maybe many people thought like me, you know? Many people maybe those people are the different ones. But what you realize is that when you think like this, when you just get out of the box, you are the different one. You are the old one. And it's the old one, being the old one is really cool, by the way. Don't let anyone change you, please. Because being the old one means that you are the one who is right, by the way. And you are the one who's gonna make it. So be the old one. Don't follow people, like, don't follow this fake freedom. Oh, I'm free. Oh, I can go wherever I want. I can. Dude, how are you free? You have money to buy one car to take you to your job and just go back where to home, and you sleep, and every single day you go back and forth. So are you really free to travel? No, you're not. You need a passport, you need all those stuff. Are you free to create a business? No, you're not, because you need blah 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 blah. Are you free to buy anything you want? No, you're not, because you don't have any type of money. They're printing money and they're lowering your value, the money that you have, the value of the money that you have. Where is the freedom? I don't see the freedom. So tell me where the freedom is. I don't see it. And now they want to tax digital assets, and they want to ask you if you have some digital assets. Really? Yeah. So I really don't know how people really work. Brainwashed. It's probably like the water they drink, you know? Maybe like gay people, they drink some contaminated water that the government gives them. They make their brain mush, and I don't know, they transform to this type of clueless humans who don't have any brains, like zombies who just are there. They're not even living. They are just there to just pass time. Okay, let's just get back into it before something else happens. IRS has digital, yeah, file on 2023 federal. Okay, the tax authority detailed that the digital asset question varies depending on the form, with appropriate variations tailored for corporate, partnership, or state and trust taxpayers. On Form 1040 for reporting U.S. individual income tax return, the question reads, okay, anytime during 2023, did you A. receive as a reward, award, or a payment for property or services? So they want to tax you on a reward? Okay. B. Sell, exchange, or otherwise dispose of a digital asset or a financial interest in a digital asset. If you really answer this question, and I don't know what is like wrong with you, because I know I wouldn't. Call me whatever you want, call me a tax frauder or I don't know, a criminal. I would never do this if I were in your position, but thank God I'm not. Okay, let's see the form right here. Okay, so this is a form 1040, okay, individual income tax return. I have, you know that I have never seen the tax form, really, right? Because I have never ever filed any taxes all my life. I have never paid taxes. So this is the first time, literally the first time I have ever seen a tax form. If you really want to just, if I were you, I would just click on this one right here. No, no, never, never have I ever. What is crypto? I have never seen anything like this. It's gambling. It's gambling. No. The IRS emphasizes that the question must be answered by all taxpayers, not just those who engaged in a transaction involving digital assets in 2023. The world is like really a bad place. It's becoming turning into, of course it was always a bad place, but yeah, I, people are just brainwashed now more than ever to just follow the rules, to just stay in line, to just not even have lives. They think they have lives, but they really don't, do they? Someone else just crafted their life for them, like a sculpture, right? Someone sculpts a sculpture and just designs it however they want. People's lives are like that exactly. They just think that they have a choice. They just think that they are free, or are just, oh, it's my body, oh, it's my blah blah blah. No, it's not. Just first, like, educate yourself. Educate yourself, please, before you say anything. At least, even if you don't educate yourself, if you don't have a brain, please just don't let anyone else know. Yeah, just hide it and just stay silent, right? But yeah, if you're in America right now, I don't know what to say. Okay, BTC. Yeah, we knew about this. I told you this thing would hold, and looks like it. I was right too. And it hold, and it went to back to even the 40k mark, the 40k, 40,300 level, even with the 400 level, even the 600 level. Wow. Yeah. So maybe right now what I see is like maybe this zone of consolidation. Yeah. And when this thing breaks, it's gonna go back down all the way to the 38.5. And if it breaks up, not that much. It wouldn't go that much high because it would stop to at the 48 mark. So yeah, not really. If you wanna trade it, make sure to always wait for the breakout, and of course, just trade it. With the funds that you don't care to lose, because yeah, trading doesn't work if you care for the trade. If you don't care about the trade, it would probably work out. Yeah. And if you really care about the trade, and if you can't sleep with the trade open, you're gonna probably lose the trade with some money. Yeah, so just don't care about the trade and trade it. Ethereum too, yeah, let's just remove this because it already took some profits. So on Ethereum, we are on the support. This thing is probably gonna hold. This is the main support right here. I think that I really don't like. I mean, this we can see some consolidation right over here, but make sure to just wait for its break, because when it breaks, it's gonna go up all the way. Not all the way, probably up to the 2300 level. And if it breaks down all the way down, oh wow, down to the 22,000 level. So yeah, but I wouldn't like to see Ethereum go down. So yeah, it would be fun to see, but I don't think that is gonna happen today. Maybe tomorrow, or maybe, yeah. But Bitcoin, let's see the time frame for Bitcoin. Yeah, maybe tomorrow, probably. Solana, our soul. Yeah, I told you this thing was gonna hold, and look, it hold. It went up. It went up like 7%, probably, or even 12%. So really good soul. But it's in this channel. If you can see it right here, let me draw this parallel channel, and it is like, if you can see this channel right here, look at this. It looks like a bull flag, but when you see it on the daily, it also looks like a bull flag. But yeah, it is like a triangle, a downward triangle, like descending triangle. Support is right over here, strong support, absolutely strong. If it breaks down, it's gonna go all the way down to the 68. The 68 is probably gonna hold, and if it breaks up, our first take profit level would be the 100 level, and our second one would be the 15. Our all-time take profit level will be the 136. But We really need to see it develop, and just it would take time. It wouldn't happen so quickly. We got all this time, like until even the end of the month. We can see AVAX, but it is also support. It took the take profit, but we missed the trade, of course. And link to it took the profit. It hit the take profit level. If you listen to me and open the trade on link, open the short, now is the time to take some profits, because probably this support is gonna hold. And yeah, that is probably it for today. Make sure to like this video, only if you like it, of course, and make sure to comment down below if you what you think about the IRS stuff, because yeah, I told you what I think about it. Let me know just what you think, because I read all my comments probably, and I'll be sure to reply. And make sure to subscribe to this channel and click that bell button, because you do not want to miss any single videos that's gonna come out in the absolute near future. And as always, make sure to make a lot of money. Do not ever, ever, anywhere and everywhere you go, never ever lose money.